In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase performance and FPS in the finals. So first thing you want to do is head to settings. Over here, you'll go to graphics. You'll enable this option. Find the game over here. If you don't find it, you just have to add it from here. Then once you find this game, you'll find the finals game. You'll just click on the drop down arrow, then select high performance. Then you'll click on. After this, you'll go to game mode. Then turn on game mode. Then you'll go to display. So for display, just make sure that you select the recommended option. And over here also select the recommended option. This way you can be assured that you have the best settings for the display. So you don't get any glitches or frame rates or any low frame rates. And then under advanced display, you want to do the same here. So just make sure you select the default hertz, whatever this is set on. Don't change this. Make sure this is default. Now if you have two screens, do the same thing to the both screens. Do the same thing. Now once you do this, you want to go to the NVIDIA app and go to drivers and update your drivers. So if you have a update for the driver, just make sure you are on the latest version. And if you go to device manager, you can do the same here. Display adapters, update the driver. Now here you need to type run, type %temp%. Select all of these folders and then right click and delete. Go to this PC, C drive, Windows, and then go to prefetch. Select all of these folders and then right click and then delete. Then lastly go to disk cleanup and then select all of these folders and then just click OK. And after that, hopefully your issue should be fixed and you have a increased performance.